They look amazing. Here's the first cleat. Please focus. Here's the bottom. I'm really impressed with the kangaroo leather upper and the inner support cage, which is supposed to be way more responsive this year. I'm really digging this old school look with the modern innovation that it comes with. And this is a Copa shoe. It will always be a Copa shoe. And I definitely believe that the reason why Adidas continues to make them is because there are still people out there just like me who love this classic old school look, but they want the modern innovation that new boots these days come with. So thank you Adidas for making this boot.